There is no scarcity of bizarre lakes in the world. Today, I am going to tell you about the only farting lake of the world. This lake can explode and release carbon dioxide. This farting lake is Cameroon's Nyos Lake, which sits on an inactive volcano. Scientists believe that seismic activity and volcanic eruptions can agitate the water. This causes the carbon monoxide to exit the lake in a cloud of gas. In 1986, the lake farted a massive plume of carbon dioxide, suffocating all living things in a 15-mile radius. It killed about 1,746 people and about 3,500 animals. Now this lake is again filled with carbon dioxide and it can cause eruption anytime.